One more time, boys, girls. The feminists, Dolly Diamond and Rose Garden! Big band, we're doing Lola.
£40 with lovely Jeff over there. £40. Any more than £40? £50. I love you, darling. You could afford a ticket for the street party as well. She's got the money. I can't wait till the vibrators come up. Okay. And the ladies bought that one again, Erica, so...
Thank you. Hi everyone! Hi everyone! Thank you, Glenn.